Hello there fam, it's your boy Investor Black and I welcome you to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you the best cards to buy on Hamster Kombat to boost your profit. Right, as you can see, I'm already a grandmaster and I'm at the level 9. As you can see, let me click on it to show you. So as you can see, I'm a grandmaster and I'm at level 9. So my next aim is to get 1 billion coins and I'm gonna be doing that easily. Why I'm so confident is because I was able to discover some tricks that's going to exponentially boost my profit per hour and my coins, right? But today's video is going to be strictly based on mining the best cards to buy under the PR and team section, under the market section, under the legal section, and under the specials tab, right? So I'm going to start with the PR and team tab. So under the PR and team tab, one very good card you can go for is this one called Consensus Explorer. As you can see, I've gotten it too much, but for those of you that are new, you would not have gotten it too much. I already upgraded it to 80 million, but you can see this coin is giving me a profit per hour of 4,000. That's 4k, right? So it was very profitable for me. It was one of the cards that boosted me. The next one is this one right here called Tokenomics Expert. So if you're just starting out, this coin is going to help you. The profit per hour for this coin is about 1.5k, as you can see right here. I've already upgraded too much, so I'm not going to be using this coin. So those are the two cards I recommend under the PR and team section, right? As you can see, there isn't much I can actually pick here. If you notice, they arranged these tabs according to the value of the coin. So the most profitable coins are under the specials tab and the least profitable coins are under the PR and team tab. If you noticed before, the PR and team tab was somewhere here, but right now, because of the value of the coins, they've arranged it that the least will be by the left and the most profitable will be by the right. So now that we are done with the PR and team, let's move on to the markets tab. So under the markets tab, we have a lot of profitable coins, a lot of them, right? But I'm going to be starting with the most profitable. Now the aim here is to spend the least coins for the most profit, right? You want to spend the least coin for the most profit. One very good card is this one right here. As you can see, margin trading X100 is going for 100k. I've already even upgraded it to level 10 and it's still very cheap. And if you check the profit per hour, you see that it's about 1k. So it's a very profitable card. Another one that is profitable is this particular card right here called margin trading X75. So X100 X75. This one is also about 1.1k, and as you can see, it's very cheap, just 7,500 coins, right? The next one on our list is this one right here called fan token. Now I know I have upgraded it to 7 million, but it is still a very profitable card for those of you that have not upgraded it to this level. For me, I can't continue to purchase this card because I've passed this level. So but this card is one of the most profitable here. As you can see, it's going for 2k. Mind you, what you need to notice is that there are some cards that might seem to be very small cards, right? The profit per hour is about 500, 600, 700. You don't want to neglect those cards because sometimes if you get those cards 4 times, you're going to spend less than when you get one of those profitable cards 1 time. So it's good to do your calculation. Another profitable card is this layer 0. As you can see, it's going at 100k right now, and I've been able to upgrade it to level 9 to show you that it's still cheap. Some cards, before you even upgrade to level 5, you've started counting millions, right? But this one I've upgraded it to level 9. If I click on it, you're going to see about 1.66k. So this is another profitable card. Now that is it for the second tab. The next tab is the legal tab. Legal tab is where you find the good stuff, right? You find the good stuff. One of the most profitable cards under the legal tab is this license Ethiopia. License Ethiopia is going to give you a whooping 3k per hour. As you can see, it's still cheap. I've upgraded it to level 10 already, and it's still less than a million. So this is one card I always buy. Another card is this one right here, License India. If you check License India, you're gonna see it's also 3k, right? And it's just 100k. If you check License Japan as well, you see that it's 4k and it's just 600k. So these three cards are very profitable. If you check this Philippine, you see that it's 7k and you're just spending 200k. So this is where the good stuff is. That is why I said they arranged it according to the profit per hour, right? So we have license Philippines, license India, license Ethiopia, and license Japan. Aside these ones I mentioned, as you can see, some of these locked ones are also super profitable, like license Indonesia, right? 5k profit, 3k profit, license Turkey, license Vietnam, and all these cards require you to have at least 4 more friends. So that's basically what I need to do to get access to these cards, right? So that's basically for the legal tab. Other cards, other ones are also profitable, but these are the most profitable ones that will help you boost faster, right? The next tab is the specials tab. Now the specials tab have a bunch of them. You can't even know where to start from or what to choose, right? For example, this particular card, pre-market launch, if you check, it's giving me about 14k per hour for 23 million. And if you check how much I've gotten from it so far from just this card, you see that I've gotten 100k profit per hour from just this card. I think this is one of the most profitable card here. As you can see, if I scroll down, you're gonna see some bunch of others like Consensus Piranha, this other one, Don Hamster Kombat. If you check, you see that this one is 9k. So these are all profitable cards. We have I think this guy, okay, this was a bonus actually. So if I scroll down, you're gonna see a bunch of other cards. So this one is profitable, about 3 to 4k. Okay, this other one is profitable, this one right here, about 3 to 4k. Yeah, if I scroll down to the bottom, NFT launch, okay, this one is cheap. This is even 33k, so it's cheap. I can go ahead and get it. In fact, I'm gonna get it now. It's a very profitable card. It's cheap and it's giving me that. So most of the cards here are profitable. Short squeeze, okay, it's 2 million. It's just there, right? Yeah, this special hamster conference was once very profitable to me, but right now there are other cards that surpasses it. Yeah, so this one right here is also profitable, 4k. As you can see that there are 2 chairs. Then this one, app center listing, is also profitable, although I won't be getting it right now. Then this guy is profitable. As you can see, it was very cheap as at then. Then this USDT on turn, 3k. So those are the profitable cards that are currently under the specials tab. One of my best cards, like I showed you, was this one right here, pre-market launch, right? Pre-market launch. But right now I'm going for the newer cards because they are quite cheaper, like this one right here, 600k to give me 3k. That's the Guinness World Record. It's one of the most profitable card for me personally at this point in time. Then we have this one is just 100k to give me 1k profit. Is also very profitable, right? So if you check the new card section, you're going to see some other cards that I've not gotten, right? This long squeeze is also profitable. As you can see, it's 2k for 30,000. Super profitable, right? So those are basically the profitable cards in Hamster Kombat. If you know anyone I missed out, you can also leave that in the comment section for others to also jump on. That's basically it for this one, guys. Have a nice day and I love you guys. Wait, in my next video I'm going to show you how to boost your Hamster Kombat profit per hour as a complete beginner with a smartphone. So if you're using a smartphone, if you notice when you close Hamster Kombat like this and you come back, you see that When it loads up, you're going to see that it starts mining offline. It's going to show you this, right? Thank you, Bybit. It means that while you were away, it was working for you. You don't want this. You don't want this. You don't want to be seeing this, right? Especially this period that Hamster Kombat's listing is this month, July, right? You don't want to be seeing this. What you want to do is to leave it like this and minimize. Okay, go off the screen. Go off the screen like this, like so. Press your home key and go off. Now, if you have other things you want to do, you can get two Telegram. For me, I have this Telegram and I also have a backup Telegram. I have this Telegram right here. I also have another Telegram in the same phone. I can log in my account in the same. So dedicate one of those Telegram to Hamster Kombat. For example, this one is dedicated to Hamster Kombat, and if I click on it, you see it opens up and it's not telling me thank you or something like that. It's just mining in the background. Now there is one thing you have to know: how to set your apps to run in the background without closing after a duration of inactivity. That is what I'm going to be sharing in my next video. If that is something you're interested in, then do well to stick around. Hit that bell notification icon so you don't miss out on that update, guys. That's basically it. Have a nice day and I love you guys. See you on the next one. Bye.